movie Lapata Ladies, directed by Kiran Rao, has sparked widespread excitement and earned positive acclaim from both the audiences as well as critics. Produced under Rao's Kindling Productions in partnership with Amir Khan Productions, the film tackles a socially relevant theme with a blend of humor and humanity as well. It champions gender equality and promotes women's education as well as empowerment, focusing majorly and predominantly the rural India. Rao, a creative powerhouse in Indian cinema, has consistently delivered unique story as seen in her acclaimed Dhobi Ghat as well back from 2011. And this time around with Lapata Ladies, she continues her mission to create films that entertain while spotlighting important societal issues at the same time. Now, the plot follows two rural brides who mistakenly swap places during a train journey in the year of 2001. This narrative takes viewers on an emotional journey filled with humor, poignant moments, and insightful social commentary. It highlights the challenges faced by rural women, particularly in relation to gender roles, education, as well as empowerment and the upliftment. Featuring a fresh ensemble cast including Nitanshi Goyal, Pratibha Ranta, Sparsh Srivastav, Ravi Kishan, Chaya Kadam, and Geeta Agarwal Sharma, this film offers a unique cinematic experience. Its rural setting, strong direction, and stellar performances have resonated with both the critics as well as the audiences alike. Also, in a very recent interview, Kiran Rao expressed her hope that Lapata Ladies would be considered as India's official entry for the 2025 Academy Awards. She shared that it has long been her dream for one of her films to represent India on a global platform, and while optimistic, Rao acknowledged that the decision ultimately rests with the Film Federation of India, which is FFI, and recognized the competitive nature of the selection process as well. The overwhelming positive reception since the film's release has fueled Rao's optimism. Audiences have praised the film's touching storyline and relatable characters, noting how deeply they actually moved them. Its focus on empowerment and heartfelt narratives has certainly struck a chord with the viewers, and its core, Lapata Ladies, aims to do more than entertain. It seeks to inspire the social change. And through the story of two rural brides, Rao sparks a conversation about gender equality, women's empowerment, and the daily struggles faced by women living in rural India. Set in 2001, the film addresses these themes with a relatable and emotional touch through this particular film. Having previously worked on iconic films like Monsoon Wedding, Lagan, and Swades, Rao continues her dedication to meaningful cinema with Lapata Ladies, and this one is exemplary. With its strong narrative and critical praise, the film in fact is poised as a serious contender on India's Oscar entry in 2025. Whether or not it reaches the Academy Award, Lapata Ladies has already made a lasting impact on Indian cinema. Its empowering message is sure to inspire many important conversations moving forward. And according to the latest report, in fact, Lapata Ladies has now become the official entry of India for the Oscars 2025. So we have our fingers crossed. Let us know what are your thoughts about the movie if you have watched it in the comment section below.